protecting from the citizens, and I just got pepper sprayed by a person in the crowd.
So you had non-lethal, but you didn't respond.
We don't have non-lethal.
If this all has to do with what was going on inside of Kyle Rittenhouse's mind, the only way to solve that question is to let a jury decide this. And it's not like there, what possible reasonable resolution could there be here? We're talking about, homicides. And his position is, I didn't do anything wrong, and self-defense is an absolute defense. So if that's correctly posited to the jury, they'll find him not guilty and he'll go home. This is like an all or nothing type situation.
We have two different geographic locations, so two different areas, two different jury pools, two different fact patterns led to these incidents occurring.
It's very possible the judges in both of these cases will say to their prospective jurors, do not look at any press accounts about anything for the next week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, because of fear that what's in the news will somehow influence the jury's deliberations.
So the best hope for both parties, the state, the people, and the defense, is to try to find people that agree that they will follow the law.
The old saying, a picture speaks 1,000 words, a video speaks 1,000,000. So, and having watched the videos, I think it's very apparent exactly what the defense argument will be.
The prevalence of video in this day and age has made many criminal cases much different than was the case 10, 20, 30 years ago. But visual evidence isn't necessarily the truth, in the sense that there are lots of different angles to any given event.
Clearly, he was under some form of assault when you look at the video in an acute sense. But again, when you look at the entirety of the situation, he just should not have been there. Obviously, it's a fascinating point in time in history, and I just hope that our system will hold up to its values and its parameters and get this thing right.